بارتولي ولا مرة بشوط الإرسال.
All right, let's talk to Agnieszka Radwańska. Congratulations. First of all, you've made it through to the finals. Huge accomplishment at a big tournament like this. How excited are you?
I'm just so happy. I mean, Miami is a great tournament, especially with all top players inside. So I'm just very happy to be for the first time in the final here.
Yeah, that's an amazing accomplishment. Real quick, though, I got to talk to you. It never happened to you before, has it, where the lights have gone out in the middle of a match and you still held your composure and came back out and took care of business? But what were you thinking?
Yeah, actually, a lot of things happened on court, but never lights went off. And, I was just so surprised. But, I was just trying to still, be focused. And, it was just 4-2, so everything could change. So I would just focus on my game. I'm just very happy that I could close this match in 2 sets.
And now let's talk about a little bit to the finals, Agnieszka. You're taking on Maria Sharapova. She's been a difficult opponent for you in the past, to say the least. So what do you think you want to work on, at least, in your strategy about taking on Maria in a couple days?
Yeah, well, I mean, she's playing very well last couple of months, and, for sure it's going to be very tough. Yeah, I lost a couple of times against her in last year. So, I'm just hope, I can play a good match and enjoy the final.
We wish you the best of luck. Since the U.S. Open last year, you've been playing incredible tennis, and it's just getting better and better. Best of luck to you. Agnieszka Radwańska, everybody. Let's hear it for her.
إذا سعيدة تقول اللاعبة أنيسكا رادفانسكا أنها تترشح لأول مرة منذ